Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a new action we launched today called the research action. The research action is a really simple action. You just have to enter your question or research statement and it will go and find the answer. This is actually currently powered by Perplexity.ai, and we basically have to integrate it into our platform. So let me show you an example. Let's say I wanted to research what are Salesforce's key initiatives for 2024. All I have to do is press run. And then you'll see it gave back an answer and citations. So this step actually can return two things. So you can reference it by hitting the hashtag, and you can get the answer, which is just the text portion of the answer, or citations, which give you the citations portion of the answer. And so here you'll see this is the answer at the top, and then below are the citations. The cool thing about this research action is that every single one of these citations are real links to real websites. These are not hallucinated at all. And you can take a look. Here is the actual information. So hopefully this makes sense. And it's really, really powerful and you can use it in so many ways. Thank you.